You know, I'm gonna show you this cool artwork, but it might took me a long while to determine this artwork, the way of how it turns out that I like. So I'm gonna show it to you as how I did that, and here it is. Yeah, you see, this is a colorful bird. Yeah, you see this type of bird that there are beautiful colors with his feathers, yeah, on his wing and his body. And you can even see that there could be any of the highlights and the shadows there, and the petals, which you can see that are so beautiful, right? They kind of like pinkish green, I think. Or no, that's more like a little bit of a blue, but anyways, looks teal. Yeah, and even though if you want to draw this, then this will guide you through your way of your stress less. Yeah, so you relax and just have fun. You can create this, but I'm just gonna put the link in the description down below.